your big year personal and professional development fellowships. Uh, Before we going to this great video, subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important and useful videos. اشترك القناة عشان يوصلك كل جديد ومهم ومفيد. باشتراكك احنا بنوصل لمحركات البحث زي جوجل ويوتيوب. By your subscription we are reaching YouTube and Google for encouraging our channel. Please like the video if you like it. Let's go for this website which allow youth for development and post development for personal and professional development. There are many fellowships and a lot of opportunities. Let's click here in your big year. Big year, it's great chances and opportunities for youth from over than 16 years. Your big year. This is international, worldwide for development of youth from different countries around the world. It's offer visual learning or e-learning, and after that you will develop, and then you have the chance to travel to USA, Europe, different countries. So here there is cooperation between this organization, your big year, and Microsoft and IBM. These are technology companies, great technology companies in US. So here there are many chances and many opportunities. As you see, this one is IBM Z Student Ambassador, and here future of education with Microsoft. It's opportunity over 50 middle school or high school and university students from 45 countries were invited to discuss the future of education in Microsoft and the Global Citizen Challenge. All these are chances to apply on any one of these one. Make an impact flows. This workshops is very important. And there are these opportunities for work online, work through travel. But my advice for you is to start with make an impact follows. This is over 30 countries and takes about 3 months of e-learning using Zoom sessions, online sessions. So you don't need to pay any costs. Just it's need your time and you will develop your skills. You can apply from here. After you get this fellowship and these workshops, you can apply for different opportunities. As you see, this other 5 opportunities till now, and there are many others. You can see all programs from here: innovation projects, entrepreneurship, courses and projects related to your skills and your attitudes and your profession if you are graduated. It's not only for use in schools, but it's for use after graduates. It's for older people also, because there is professional projects. But first you have to start with this one, make an impact workshop. It's a 3 months virtual program, far away e-learning. So, and there is about 12 sessions, grouping coaching sessions. It's very great to apply. So just click here and fill your data, your name, your address, your email, your phone number, your WhatsApp number. All this data you will put, and then you will complete this application, your birthday, your gender, country, residence, city, all of this data. After that, some questions, very simple questions, like why should we be accepted into the your big year, make an impact fellowship? What do you hope to gain through this experience, and other questions. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share this video with others so they can reach its values and its usefulness. With you, Engineer Osama Gandour at STEM Associate School. Thanks for watching.